Hey, Jay from Jay's Taking Tips back with another video. This video, you see by the title, we got the Microsoft wireless um, headphones. If you follow my channel, you've been following me, you'll know I got all my items stolen. I had, so many sets of headphones that I've had throughout the years. My last ones that I had were the wired Microsoft headphones. So I don't have enough money to, at this time for this, to replace them with something. Well, not those. I had some Arctics 9X, I think they were. Those were my main users. But so I needed to get some type of headset. So I went to eBay. I'm a firm believer in eBay. A lot of people say you get scammed on eBay. So we'll do this unboxing right now. I did purchase this product used. It did say it didn't come with a charging cable, but no problem. I think it's USB-C. I have plenty of those laying around. So let's get into this unboxing and let's see what we got. Doing it this way, trying to hide my the label, my address label. That's all. I will tell you one thing. Excuse me. Renter's insurance, very important. Don't forget it. I will be, if these work out, well, whether they work out or not, I will be leaving a link to the eBay seller in the description somewhere. It'll be somewhere like that. If you guys want to pick up one, something like this, or, I will recommend this seller. See how it goes. So let's get into it. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications and follow me on this journey where I, little by little, try to replace all of my equipment. Okay. All right, so condition, pretty good. Not a scratch on them at all. Really, really good condition. Yeah. So I don't think it has power, but let me check and see. Oh, it does have power. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can pair these. I'm pretty sure you pair it just like you do a controller. I was waiting for something to pop up on the screen, but nothing popped up. But it stopped pairing. So let's see. Could it be that simple? Let's turn this a little bit. No, it can't be that simple. Okay. Let me. Okay, so let's adjust this camera and get this up here so we can go through it and we can see if we can get these paired. So let's first look and see if it recognizes them. So we're going to go to settings, devices and controller headsets. There they are. So they are in there. That was quick so far. So let's see. Let's configure these. Game equalizer. Well, we don't want to do any of that right now. Oh, maybe this is it. Hold on. Turn the knobs. Oh, that was it. Okay, so hold on. Let me see. Okay, so it's this knob right here. I'm not familiar with these. I had the wired version, so I'm not quite sure how exactly everything works, but I did know one of the knob turns the volume up and down, and it's this one on this side, on the right side. So we're going to turn that all the way up. And that was it. Okay, so let's get into something. Let's see. Let's get into this. Play a little bit of Forza. I want to see how they sound in there. We're not going to do any mic, use the mic at all right now. So, oh yeah. Hey. Let's see. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of Forza.
In my latest update, you can now utilize the auto drive feature, drone mode.
Oh yeah, these are really nice, really nice.
Let's explore that now.
We'll come over here. Okay. So let's turn this back. Okay, so there's settings you can do. So let's set these up. Okay, so device and connections, controller headsets, configure. No, that's not the one that I want. What I want is, hold on, preferences, notifications, capture share. Okay, I think it's under maybe under general, volume and audio output. Okay, so headset format. So right now it's on Sonic for Windows, and I do have Dolby Atmos. I did buy that little app a long time ago, so there we go. So that's the one we want. For this format, start by getting Dolby Access. The free Dolby Access app also lets you try by, or I pretty much, I do have the app already. So we'll go through this then. It says try this, you already own it. So we'll go ahead and go into this, and it's installing. It's really a lot better. Now the Sonic is nice also, but there's no the Dolby Atmos is so much better. Okay, do I have internet connection? Okay, there we go. I knew it was going to start soon though. So if you're wondering if I have a Walmart connection, I'm wireless. I got 136 download speed, so not too bad. I can game with that. Really excited about the quality of these. So while we're here, let me go ahead and go into here. Let's see how much did I pay for these. Okay, so first let's see how. There we go. Dolby Atmos. Hold to open. Now, as I said, if you follow me, you'll see I got my system stolen. So my old Xbox was stolen. So that's why I had to re-download it. But I did already purchase this app. So hopefully they don't make me purchase it again. We're going to do the game. Oh yeah, you can tell the difference just inside. Okay. Okay, so let's get out of that. Oh wait, so what we're gonna do is let me see. Let me see. So that's on eBay. Best Buy. Let me try to find them on the Microsoft site and see how much they are. Okay. So and I think these were 2024s they came out. Well, let me see. Headsets, earbuds, headphones, headsets, and not showing me headsets. Bear with me. That's Walmart. So at Walmart, brand new, they're $139. I just wanted to get the price on at the Microsoft store. Microsoft Xbox Wireless Controller. Oh, now see, this isn't bad. They have a Forza Horizon Limited Edition for $134. That's at the Microsoft store. So at where is it at? No, that's not correct. Microsoft Surface. Okay, so at Walmart they're $139, but at Target the same ones are $89. You can get them. Best Buy has them for $98. eBay is selling them brand new in the box for $149. So just so you know, like that. So let's say around those, that averages out around $95. Okay, so that's the average price. I didn't find them on the Microsoft store. I know that they've been out since 2024. Maybe they're not available anymore. Not sure. So I paid. Let's see, my orders, my eBay purchase history. I paid, wow, I didn't really got that right. $23.95. That's right, guys, $23.95. And as you can see, the quality in these, excellent. Just didn't come with a cable. That was the only thing. $23.95. What a deal. So I will be leaving the eBay sellers ID in the subscription somewhere. I'll leave it somewhere so that if you want to purchase from them, they have other items that they're selling also. You could check them out right there. But as far as sound quality goes, so far I will do an updated review on the headphones and the sound quality and compare them to other headphones that I've had stuff in the future. But for now, that's all. Hey guys, if you're already subscribed, thanks a lot. I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come with me on this journey in replacing all of my equipment and maybe getting some new things that I didn't have before. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you in the video. See you in the next video.